Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little pin unboxing slash haul for you guys. So this is the Disney mystery box. That is the cats and dogs mystery box. I opened a ton of these while I was at Disney World, and I literally just wanted the three that were from princess movies, which were Percy, Max, and I don't know if it has a name, but the cat from Princess and the Frog. So those were the three that I wanted, and it was quite some trouble rounding these three little pins up. So I'm going to insert the footage of all the unboxings at Disney World right here. All right, this is the Disney Cats and Dogs. I already bought one of them, and I got Yzma and
Percy.
Percy, thank you. So obviously still hoping for no doubles. Oh, those are much easier to rip.
What'd you get?
I got the Princess and the Frog cat.
Oh my
This is
god.
the one I was saying. I was like, I just want this one. I don't care.
Oh
about
my
any others.
god.
I want this one. Okay.
And that's like
If you get a
best cat,
double,
too.
I
We
was
talking.
gonna say the only other one that I want out of this whole collection is Max, because that's the only one that's related to a princess. Y'all can have whoever
Let me look at
else
the
I
back.
get, because I don't want the other ones.
Well, I would keep it for a trade.
I forgot his name, but he's from Lady and the Tramp.
Aw,
and
he's
really
so cute. I love him.
Yeah, that's
You
cute.
should keep him. He's a good one. I mean, like, I know he wasn't the one you wanted, but I
Well,
I'm
we can
being-
talk. We
I'm
can
being
talk.
picky. We can talk. Yeah. Take him so you can find a pin you can trade. If you don't want to keep.
Oh yeah.
Specific.
Well, I've been putting all the ones I want to trade into a little bag, so when we go
Perfect.
places, we can like do that.
Oh, it's Doug.
Aw, Doug!
He's cute.
I love Doug. He's so cute.
He's
Keep him.
cute.
Keep him.
Girl, I'm telling you, Princess is in Star Wars, because if I get outside those collections, it's gonna be madness. I'm gonna run out of room so quick.
I don't count
what you wanna
animals, but it's fine.
And I got Mochi.
Mochi.
That's the one that I
That's okay. We can trade these those, because I can find ones that will match my collection.
Oh, hello. Let me not be
hello.
freaking what's her face. Okay, so we have the Disney Cats and Dogs like Holly.
Woo woo! Did you get any blind boxes?
She got the World of Evil.
Okay, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I
Because we
thought.
both got it.
Okay, who is she?
Same one as
Oh, now we have double.
Which one did you get?
The little guy
What's
from
his
Lady and the
name from
Tramp.
Lady and the
I
Tramp?
want to say it's like, no, that
No,
one's
it's
not
not
Tramp.
Tramp.
It's
It's the
it's
other
like
one.
Scout
Tramp?
or
Okay, I don't know.
Maybe it is Scout.
is it Scout? I
Hold
feel
on.
like it's something with an S, because you said Scruff earlier, and that sounded like close, but I wasn't 100%
I
sure.
could've- let's look it up real quick. Lady and the Tramp Dogs. Jock.
Oh,
Jock,
okay.
Jock the Scotty.
All
yes. Well, Jock is cute.
He is cute.
Look, I'm gonna have it. Okay, that's cute.
Little kitty and puppy collection.
Yes!
Which one did you get?
Yes, Princess of the Frog!
Yes!
It's so freaking face.
that's the exact same box that I
I know,
unboxed.
we had the
That's
same.
funny.
Yeah.
That's really rare.
That's
I've only
weird.
seen that happen. Shelby and I did it once, and you two just did it once.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
That's
they were
so
literally
funny.
the exact same too.
Love it. That's what I'm saying.
Wait, you want to open your
Is
envelope?
I just want to keep. Oh yeah. That's what I was saying. Is I just literally want to keep buying these until I get all of them. 'Cause I
You
think
want
I'm-
Max, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Max is the last one that's like associated with a Disney princess movie. So if I get Max, I'll be very happy. Oh.
So many with
We
him.
literally have so many of this guy. Do you like this guy? Because now we have like 4.
I'll take him.
Yeah, no, I think we have 2 in our bag of
I like
tradable
him.
pins.
I like him.
He's a cutie pie. Oh, Bolt! We haven't gotten that one at least.
Oh yeah, Bolt's a good one.
I do.
Cute.
Do you want Bolt? Because I won't keep Bolt. I'll
You're not
100%
going to?
trade Bolt. No.
Really?
Yeah.
Take
Are you
him then
sure?
if you
Like
like
Bolt?
him,
I
yeah.
love Bolt. He's one of my faves.
Yeah, he's a cutie
He's
pie. but
cutie
I
with his
wouldn't-
little bolt on his booty.
I wouldn't keep him. Okay. 2 more of the Disney Cats and Dogs ones. I'm gonna open one and try and get Max, because Zoe's gonna open the other one to try and get Percy from Pocahontas. So, please, dear God, no bolts and no.
If there is
Jacques.
another junk, I'm gonna
Oh,
scream.
yeah, same. Yeah.
Like, come on.
It's Percy.
Shut the front door.
It's Percy. Freaking heck yes.
This is okay. This is it.
This is it.
This is it. This is the
happening.
one.
All right. I don't think this is Max. Yzma Cat. You need her to go.
Yeah.
Because you haven't.
I forgot about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Switch off. You're going to open this one and you're going to get me some Max
Okay.
over there. Get that juju. That's the same exact box I opened on the first day.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm feeling around. I don't
Questionable.
Think this is Max. I don't
Questionable.
think this is Max. I think this is a freaking cat or something. I want you to guess who it is.
Is it Jacques?
Yes.
Is it actually?
Yes.
I bet you money the other one's Bolt. I'll bet you money the other one's Bolt.
Nobody wants you.
Dang it.
Oh no, it's
Doug.
Doug.
Bust. All right. If I don't get Max, I'm gonna be able to fight. I'm gonna be ready to fight. I've opened so many of these, only trying to get 3 pins. It's fine. Would you look who it is?
Oh my god.
I swear. Even if I get like the Prince and the Frog Cat so that you can get it, because you don't have that one. I don't know if there are any other ones that you would want out of here that we haven't gotten on.
Maybe the kitty.
Oh.
I have that one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Never mind. Please, God, have Max in here. I don't think this is Max.
Nope.
I probably spent over $100 on these. This doesn't feel like Max either. At least it's Percy. Dang it!
Which one is this? Cat and dogs again?
Yeah. Bolt.
Oh my god.
I think these are my last 2 boxes if I don't get Max.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to find him online and trade him because this is stupid. Oh, I got Dinah. At
Oh,
least that's a
cute.
new one.
Yeah.
I gotta say, like, oh, Dinah was the last one that I never got. So at least I got one unique, even though I'll probably trade her.
Dinah's cute. Don't trade her. Oh, well, I guess it doesn't go with your collection.
I don't think either of these are Max.
The tail would tell you. That's up. Nope, that's cat. Dang it. It's Max. It's Max. It's Max. Oh my god. The heavens.
What did I say? I said it's gonna be. What did I just say?
You just said
I
the
literally
last
was
one.
like, it's gonna be the last one I open, literally
Yes.
before we have to leave. And I
Oh
was
my
like,
God.
if I don't open it now, I can't keep spending money on these.
No.
I'm not gonna get them. And what I freaking get?
Heck yes. She's a happy camper now.
Finally. Why'd you do that to me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. We're good. So as you can see, literally I say to Zoe, I am not buying one more of these if I do not get Max. This is the end of it. Open the first box. He's not there. Open the second box. And I finally get him. So I actually ended up with many duplicates, but I actually just finished trading all of them. Inserting here, because apparently I don't know my own pin trades very well. I'm actually filming a different video of pins, and I just realized, because I went to my pin trader box, that I do actually have Jacques from this collection still available for trade. So this is the only one I have left. I have one of him, and he's really super cute. So if you're into Lady and the Tramp and you need Mr. Jacques here, I have him. So please reach out to me on Instagram at hollylollyco if you would like to trade for Mr. Jacques. I will show you the 3 that I came home with that just are perfect for my collection. My R2-D2 pin board is totally maxed out right now, so I'm not going to pull him off and take everything off to show you guys, but I'm going to order a pin board just for displaying them in videos. But as you can see here, I have the Princess and the Frog cat. I mean, this pin is hilarious. She's in the little frog suit. She's scared like she's stuck on the ceiling towards the beginning of the movie. This is just a great pin, and I am so excited that I have this in my collection. And this was the only cat pin that I wanted. So I'm happy that I got the cat because I have 2 little kitties and I love kitties. And so yeah, I was really happy with that. Next up, I also got Percy, and he is just so cute with his smug little concerned pug face. This pin is also adorable. I love that he's sitting on his pillow. I just think these pins are absolutely adorable. So excited to have him. And lastly, the pin that I just could not seem to get. By the way, I wore my Cheshire Cat shirt. They didn't have that in the mystery box, but this was the shirt I felt was most appropriate. Anyways, sidetracked, sorry. Lastly, the pin that I so desperately was trying to get and finally got in the end is this amazing Max pin. You guys, like, I feel like we just don't see Max represented that often, and he is so cute and happy in this picture. I mean, I'm so happy that I got this pin. So those are the 3 that I picked up from the mystery box collection. I'm so sorry, you guys, I do not have any pin traders to announce on this video, but shout out to the Game Boys. Tim traded with me online. I'll link their channel down below because they are so super sweet and awesome, and I love their content. So shout out to Tim for trading with me. Got a couple of princess pins. I'll do like a pin trader mystery, not mystery, magic mail type video soon. And then I also traded with a girl who messaged me on Instagram. So yeah, I'm super excited about these, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below for more Disney and other lifestyle content. I'm here pretty regularly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.